Okay, let's take a slightly more complex sentence, which again is really just at core a subject and a verb with a little bit of decoration and a couple other elements here. Okay, first thing is always, let's find the verb. The ugly monkey hands Lars the mango under the table. Now, if the verb doesn't stand out to you, try changing the tense of the sentence. The ugly monkey handed Lars the mango under the table. Okay, the word that changes there is handed. That's our verb. Now, what kind of verb is it? Something you can do, right? That's an action verb. Okay, then we say who or what is handing Lars the mango. Okay, when we ask who or what is doing the verb, that tells us the subject. So our subject here is monkey. And monkey, person, place, thing, or idea. And, we count animals, right? Okay, we've got the ugly monkey hands Lars the mango under the table. Now we have an action verb here, so there's the possibility we have a direct object. So if we say subject verb what, the monkey hands what, if we can answer that question, we have a direct object. Okay, so does the monkey hand Lars or does the monkey hand the mango? Well, the mango is actually what's getting handled here, right? So this is our direct object. Remember, subjects do things, objects have things done to them. Okay, now mango is a thing. Okay, now do we have an indirect object here? Is there anything that's receiving the mango? We do, right? Sorry, right here with Lars. So that's our little indirect object. And Lars is a noun. Proper noun, right? Capital letter, person's name. Okay, now let's take a look because the rest here, it's just modifiers. We've got the. Okay, well, that tells us which monkey, right? And a and the. There's the bell, guys. Our articles. We've got ugly, which tells what kind of monkey. Okay, and what modifies nouns? Adjectives. I guess I should make that look like an A. Okay, now again, we've got another the. Okay, what? The mango. Okay, again, article, which we are categorizing as a subspecies of adjective. Okay, now I've got under the table, and those words go together. They fit together nicely in a phrase. And you might recognize that you've got a prepositional phrase here. So remember, prepositions take a noun or a pronoun, and they show a relationship between that and something else. So the relationship between table and, in this case, the action in the sentence. And they're going to fit that pattern on the box, under the box, by the box, to the left of the box, to the right of the box. Okay, so this is a preposition. And again, a preposition is always going to have a little noun or a little pronoun after it. So we've got a noun here. And we're going to call this the object of the preposition. That's the particular thing or person or whatever that the preposition is bringing into the sentence and showing that relationship with. And again, objects have things done to them. Subjects do them. Subjects do things. Objects have things done to them. Okay, that tells us which table. That's an article. Okay, and this whole thing here, this whole prepositional phrase is a modifier. Prepositional phrases are always modifiers. Okay, so what is it that's under the table? Is it the mango that's under the table? Well, kind of, but to me it looks like it's the actual handing of the mango that's happening under the table. So I'm going to say that this thing is modifying. It's not like a mango under the table. It's like the pass off, right? The handing under the table. So we're going to call this thing an adverbial prepositional phrase. Okay, so again, we've got a slightly more complex sentence here, but at core, we've got the ugly monkey hands. We've got a subject. We've got a subject. We've got a verb. And for any grammatical sentence, that's the core of it. A subject and a verb, no matter how much other prepositional phrases or little clauses or modifiers or whatever you throw in there. Again, you've got a subject, you've got a verb to make a sentence.